today I'm gonna be doing this to my cars. And my friend Arjun is here. No, not the crash out. Okay, anyways, let's get started with this section. We got Aura lights with the monster trucks. Next we got the dinosaurs. Which are absolutely extinct. Next we got these Lamborghinis. Well, not all of them are Lamborghinis. And next we got this ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. And we also got this plane. Meow. Which would be flying to Africa right now. Meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Okay, next we got this section, which is the cool section. PV. We're starting to black out. White, all the whites. We even got Lightning McQueen. And we even got this gold one. And we have it in color orange. And that's the end. Mommy! See you back with the Crash Out guy in the next video. Comment which car was the most Aura.